Hello everyone, myself Neville Desai, Certified Financial Planner, representing DIFCO Investment Services. Today I am going to speak about one of the most common mistakes that people do, mixing insurance and investments. So let's start with the basics. Your insurance plans or products can be your endowment plan, term plan, money back plan, etc. and इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट्स और इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स कैन बी इक्विटी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स जिसमें शेयर मार्केट का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है लाइक म्यूचुअल फंड्स, डायरेक्ट इक्विटी, पीएमएस एक्सेट्रा, और डेप्ट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स लाइक फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट्स, पीपीएफ, रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट्स, बॉन्ड्स एक्सेट्रा, और इवन अ मिक्सचर ऑफ देम लाइक योर बैलेंस फंड्स etc. Now there is absolutely no problem with any of them if you keep them separate. Your insurance plans or products will protect you and your family while your investment plans will give you returns. Problem तब शुरू होता है when you try to mix or combine insurance with investments. The most common product that is a combination of insurance and investment is your unit linked insurance plans or ULIPs. The product is designed in such a way that there is insurance as well as investment factor combined, and the common thinking of people is that अच्छा है ना, एक साथ दोनों requirements fulfill हो रहे हैं, investment का investment भी हो रहा है and साथ में insurance भी मिल रहा है. Please don't do this mistake. Let's understand both insurance and investment part of ULIP separately. सो जनरली एक पर्सन का इंश्योरेंस कवर कितना होना चाहिए? सिंपल सी बात है, जितनी उसकी एनुअल इनकम है उसका एटलीस्ट 10 to 12 टाइम्स इंश्योरेंस कवर होना चाहिए. एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपकी एनुअल इनकम 10 लाख रुपए है देन आपका इंश्योरेंस कवर 1 करोड़ रुपए होना चाहिए. यूलिप में जनरली एनुअल प्रीमियम का 10 to 15 टाइम्स आपका इंश्योरेंस कवर होता है. मतलब अगर आपको 10 लाख रुपए का कवर चाहिए देन आपको एन्युअली 1 लाख रुपए पे करना है, एंड अगर आपको 1 करोड़ रुपए का कवर चाहिए देन आपको एन्युअली 10 लाख रुपीस प्रीमियम पे करना है. सो इन शॉर्ट, यूलिप से आपकी इंश्योरेंस रिक्वायरमेंट्स तभी फुलफिल हो सकती है अगर आप आपकी साल की पूरी एनुअल इनकम सिर्फ यूलिप के प्रीमियम पे करने में लगा ले, जो प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. सो इन शॉर्ट, यूलिप कैन नेवर गिव यू सफिशिएंट इंश्योरेंस कवर. Now, coming to the investment portion with the ULIP is that it's a combo product, so there is no flexibility in it and you get stuck with it. Basically, if you are not happy with the performance of the ULIP and if you stop it, say for example after a few years, you are left with no life cover when you require it the most. It's like getting married to your fund manager. For example, 30 की एज में ULIP start की and after paying premium for 15 years, you discontinue it at the age of 45, you will be left with no life cover when you require it the most. Another scenario is if elderly person, say in his 50s or 60s, start ULIP as an investment option for his savings or his retirement. The problem here is the mortality charges. The mortality charges keeps on increasing every year depending upon investor's age and is deducted from the fund value which investor does not even know. Also, the problem is in the way that ULIP is sold or actually missold. बैंक में गए to start a recurring deposit or fixed deposit, and you would be told that this is also a type of recurring deposit where your money would be debited every month. No, your RD and FD में insurance and equity factor दोनों नहीं होता, while your ULIP has both insurance and equity factor. Again, बैंक में गए to start a systematic investment plan in mutual funds and you would be told that this is also a type of SIP where your money would be debited every month. No, म्यूचुअल फंड की SIP में इंश्योरेंस फैक्टर नहीं होता है. देयर आर नो मोर्टालिटी चार्जेस इन इट, while your ULIP has mortality charges. In short, keep your insurance and investment separate. Keep it simple and keep it flexible so that in future it can be easily modified as per your requirements.